Hello everybody, Lovia Gamer is here back again, and today I'm going to show you how you can record on VR ETS2. So in order to do that, first you have to get the game if you don't already have it on Steam, and if you have it, you just simply go to Properties, then you have to set here Oculus. This is working for MetaQuest 2 and MetaQuest 3. Then you'll have to change the betas on the betas tab, the Oculus, Open VR, Open XR, and the last version. Might be a new version here. Okay, and you're set here. After you set this, the game will update and you will be able to play. Another thing that you'll have to do is to get your MetaQuest link up ready, because you'll have to connect from your VR to MetaQuest link. Another thing that you must or you could do is to get the Oculus Mirror. It's an application that you can get from Google, and this will mirror the VR. So what you see on the VR, it will mirror on this window, and you can simply go and record this window, because this window will display the VR view really okay. So I'll show you the settings and everything else. What we have to do on VR, you just have to connect. There are two ways to connect: using Airlink or using USB cable. So I'm going to show you the steps on the VR. Okay, so on the VR, what you'll have to do, if you have Airlink, you simply go and connect to your closest Wi-Fi network, and this is the simplest way. On my connection, we can see that network band is 5 is okay, 5 gigahertz. Channel width is 160. Network connection connected, and Wi-Fi signal strength is okay. If you have these green marks, then all you have to do is to launch. Everything is okay, so you just hit launch here. We'll enter on the as you can see, I already have the game here. And also, if you want, you can set the Airlink bitrate to the max settings as possible. If you want to record from your Windows, you simply select here Windows default, or if you want the Quest 2, you can select the Quest 2 from here. If you want to use the Quest 2 microphone, but I don't recommend you to do that, so it's better to record from the built-in PC mic, because on the audio you might have some time like a lag or something. You might have some disturbance in the audio, so that might not be okay. Also, for the audio output, I recommend you to select the Windows default as well, because the Quest 2, on the Quest 2 headphones, also on the recording you might hear noises or stuff like that when the connection is not really okay. Let me show you my settings here. Graphics, dash disabled here, experiments, I disable this one, and that's all. You don't have to do anything from here. You just have to open this one. You can go simply from your desktop, or if you want, you can use the desktop from this app, but it's simpler if you just stop here. You don't need the controllers, so you can actually put the controllers away. What I'm doing right now, I'm just going into the desktop and I'm starting the game from the desktop, but using my mouse. And as you can see, the game is loading, and if I'm pressing here, you just have to press here F11 if you want to see on screen the ETS2, in case it don't appear. But look, if I'm pressing F11 on the keyboard, nothing is happening right now. PC, as you can see right now, I press F11, and right now I press F11 again, and you can see we can look into the menu. The loading was on because I haven't pressed F11 on the keyboard, so it's really simple. If we're going into the settings to the game, we can see that on the graphics we can select actually the resolution to the okay, so that's what you will see. Okay, so I'm going to quit right now. And when I'm quitting, you can see that this menu is back again, and unfortunately you can't use your hands. You have to grab your controller if you want to exit this menu. This is really annoying. Okay, so for the settings, I'm going to show you right now. So I just after you are connected to the headset and you are on the menu, you see what you'll have to do. I'm going to put my finger on the headset sensor in order it to stay enabled, because I can't show you the settings, and right now it's okay. So enable the image stabilization, because if you do like this, you know, the image will be okay. If I'm going to reset the settings, you can see that on the margins, you see this. But if you will set, let me show you. So you should disable this one on the image stabilization. You see, after I enable that, you can see that image is okay. But so if I'm going to load the settings, you can see that there is not any black on the margins, but I can't see the settings here because they are like locked or something. You'll record only this one, because after you start the game, let me show you. Right now I'm launching the game. You will see that on the screen will appear like two. You see the game is launching, and you see you have these two screens. You should record only the Oculus mirror. That's all that you have to record. You see you have these two screens, but you'll record only the Oculus mirror. That's all. So that's all we did recording, and also you'll add the system sound and the microphone from the system, because I don't recommend you to use the one from Oculus, because as I told you, you'll have distortions on audio, or you know, and you don't want that, you know. Okay, so that's all. That's everything. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.